Welcome to this complete Tuscany, Italy guide. Picture a region where history whispers from every corner, culture is woven into the very fabric of life, and landscapes are painted with the stroke of nature's most vibrant palette. Envision rolling hills, resplendent vineyards, and timeless towns, each holding a tale waiting to be told. This is Tuscany, a jewel in Italy's crown, a place where every step is an adventure and every breath a memory in the making. Buckle up for a day filled with Italian charm and unforgettable experiences. Our first stop is the majestic Florence Cathedral. This architectural marvel, steeped in history, is a testament to the grandeur of the Renaissance. The cathedral's intricate design and awe-inspiring dome, a masterstroke of Filippo Brunelleschi, leaves one breathless. Not only does it stand as an emblem of Florence's historical significance, but its dome also offers a panoramic view that sweeps across the city's skyline, capturing the essence of Florence. A visit to Florence is incomplete without experiencing the grandeur of this cathedral. Next up, we lean towards the iconic Tower of Pisa. This architectural marvel has been defying gravity for over 8 centuries. Its unique tilt is due to a poorly laid foundation, but don't let that deter you. The tower's history is as rich as the Tuscan soil it stands on, surviving wars, earthquakes, and countless tourists. Ascend its spiraling staircase and you'll be rewarded with a stunning panorama of Pisa. Remember, in Pisa, it's all about the angle. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the art world at the Uffizi Gallery. A treasure trove of Renaissance art, the Uffizi Gallery is home to an array of masterpieces from the likes of Michelangelo, Raphael, and Botticelli. This gallery is more than just a museum. It's a journey through time, unveiling the evolution of art and culture over centuries. So, if you're an art enthusiast or a history buff, you're in for a treat. The Uffizi Gallery, where every corner is a masterpiece. Next, we venture into the tranquil Boboli Gardens. Imagine being enveloped in lush greenery where every turn uncovers an artistic masterpiece in the form of beautiful sculptures. As you meander along, you'll come across serene ponds that mirror the sky, creating a picture-perfect scene. The gardens are a symphony of nature and artistry, a place where time seems to pause, allowing you to breathe in the beauty around you. Boboli Gardens, a breath of fresh air in the heart of Florence. Our journey continues at the awe-inspiring Sienna Cathedral. This magnificent edifice, a masterpiece of Italian Gothic architecture, astounds with its intricate exterior and stunning interior. As you step inside, you're greeted by a symphony of art, from the delicately carved pulpit to the vibrant frescoes. Don't miss the opportunity to climb the Facciatone, the unfinished facade where you're rewarded with a panoramic view of Sienna's historic cityscape. The Sienna Cathedral, a testament to the city's rich past. Next, we stroll around the historic Piazza del Campo. This remarkable square with its distinctive shell shape is the beating heart of Siena. Embedded in the city's fabric, it's surrounded by stunning architecture, each building whispering tales of the past. The piazza is a testament to Siena's rich history, its fame reaching far beyond the city's medieval walls. It serves as a vibrant gathering place for locals and tourists alike, a true symbol of community spirit. Piazza del Campo, where history and culture converge. Now, we escape to the picturesque Val d'Orcia countryside. This is Tuscany's Eden, a testament to the harmonious interaction of man and nature. A place where verdant hills undulate under the Tuscan sun, adorned by rows upon rows of vineyards that stretch out like a patchwork quilt. Here, the rhythm of life is slow and the living is easy. The Val d'Orcia is renowned for its wine production, with vineyards that have been handed down through generations. The region's famous wines like the Brunello di Montalcino and the Vino Nobile di Montepulciano are a testament to the area's fertile soil and the vintner's meticulous craftsmanship. A sip of these wines is like a taste of the Tuscan sun, a unique blend of flavors that have been shaped by the region's unique climate and geography. A visit to Val d'Orcia is like stepping into a Renaissance painting, a timeless landscape that remains largely untouched by the passage of time. Val d'Orcia, Tuscany's untouched paradise. Next up, the medieval town of San Gimignano. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, San Gimignano is a sight to behold. It's known far and wide for its distinctive skyline, punctuated by 14 towering medieval towers. These stone sentinels, standing tall and proud, are a testament to the town's rich history, a silent narrative of its past glory and rivalry. Tracing back to the Etruscan period, San Gimignano was a bustling spot along the Via Francigena pilgrimage route. It's a place where history isn't just seen, it's felt. As you saunter along its narrow, winding streets, you're walking the same paths as countless pilgrims, traders, and nobility did centuries ago. And let's not forget the Vernaccia wine, a San Gimignano specialty. This crisp white wine made from the Vernaccia grape is as much a part of the town's identity as its towers. So raise a glass, take in the view, and savor the taste of history. San Gimignano, a step back in time. Now we head to the world-renowned Chianti wine region. This is the heart of Tuscany, where rolling hillsides sing with the scent of grapevines and the promise of the divine drink. Here, each vineyard is a testament to centuries-old tradition, producing wines that are nothing short of art in a bottle. Wine tasting in Chianti is an experience of a lifetime, a symphony of flavors, a celebration of history, a tribute to the land. Chianti, where every glass tells a story. Next, we explore the charming town of Lucca, a place where time stands still. Lucca is encased in well-preserved Renaissance walls, a testament to its rich history. Its cobbled streets are home to an array of beautiful churches, each with its own unique architectural character. Yet the heart of Lucca beats in Piazza dell'Anfiteatro, a circular square that follows the outline of a former Roman amphitheater. It's a place where past and present intertwine, creating an atmosphere unlike any other. Lucca, Tuscany's hidden gem. We continue our journey at the grand Pitti Palace. Steeped in history, this Renaissance marvel was once home to the Medici family. It's a treasure trove of art, with thousands of masterpieces adorning its walls, each whispering tales of bygone eras. Beyond the palace, the Boboli Gardens unfold, a stunning open-air museum of sculptures and fountains. It's like stepping into a painting, with each corner revealing a new scene. The Pitti Palace, a journey through the royal past. Next, we discover the hill town of Montepulciano. Perched high in southern Tuscany, Montepulciano offers panoramic views that are simply breathtaking. But the town's allure doesn't stop there. It's steeped in history and brimming with Renaissance architecture, whispering tales of its grand past. And let's not forget the famous Vino Nobile wines, celebrated globally for their robust flavors and velvety texture. A sip of this rich red wine is like a taste of the Tuscan sun. Montepulciano, where every view is a postcard. Finally, we find peace at the Abbey of Sant'Antimo. Tucked away in the tranquil Tuscan countryside, this stunning abbey is steeped in rich history. Built in the 12th century, it's been a bedrock of tranquility for centuries. A standout feature is the ethereal sound of Gregorian chants echoing through the stone walls, transporting you back in time. This is not just a visit, it's an experience, an immersion into a world of calm and spirituality. The Abbey of Sant'Antimo, a sanctuary of serenity.